Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be making this Tiller & Hatch barbecue seasoned beef and beans in our Instant Pot. So what we're going to do is add a half a cup of water to our pot. Next, we're going to take our sauce packet out of here, and I've already done this part, but just run it under warm water and go like this for a couple seconds just to loosen it up enough that you can squeeze it out into our Instant Pot. We're going to open this up and do just that. Next, we're just gonna dump our entire contents of our bag into our Instant Pot right on top of that sauce. We're gonna put our lid on, then we're gonna turn this to meat stew. We're gonna do it for 4 minutes on low pressure and just let that go. Once this is done, we're gonna wait 4 minutes after that, and then we'll do a manual pressure release. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, guys, it's been just over 4 minutes. Didn't quite make it back in time, but also right now, my little silver thing did go back down flush with this, so I don't really need to do the manual release, but in case you do need to do that after the 4 minutes, this is what you would do. And then it would just release all the pressure. But now we're just going to open up our lid and see what we've got. All right, we're just gonna give this a stir and see what we're working with. All right, guys, that's what we've got. If you wanna know our full thoughts on this, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review of this and tell you whether we would buy it again. But before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.